checking the horn on a Nissan Versa. Client says it sounds funny. Whoa.
Yo, that sounds funny. I was gonna make a funny joke and say it sounded horny, but damn, that sounds funny. Well, it's covered under factory warranty. Is it plugged in?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy. I was expecting it to be normal. All right, maybe the wires are backwards. I'll flip them real quick. Let's see. Oh, that's some sad shit, man.
These are the days of our life.
You know, and this is a brand new car, 2024, 3,000 miles.